take you through how you can efficiently upload a video in YouTube, the best efficient way and the best method recommended by YouTube. What you're supposed to do, you should first ensure you have your video title and also a short description of your video and some captions. So I already have mine here. I have used the notepad to write this title, but you can also use your Microsoft Word. Create a very enticing title and a description of your video. Then you also require to have a YouTube thumbnail. So I already have created mine here. So this is the thumbnail which we'll be using. Let me rename it. I want to rename it as just click above it and then click rename. I want to call it thumbnail for YT. So from there, we already have all these tools. So what is remaining is now to upload our video into YouTube. So what we are supposed to do first, we are supposed to get into our YouTube channel. So my channel is here, just log in into it. So when you get into your YouTube channel, what you are supposed to do, just click this icon of your YouTube channel to get into your YouTube studio. So when you get into your YouTube studio, you only have two methods which you can use to upload this video. The first one is click upload the video, and the other one is to click create and then upload the video. Both the methods, they work efficiently. There is no less a good method than the other, or it depends with your video. So I just use this method. Since it is the shortcut, then click select. Then you can get my video is named as project, how to create a professional YouTube channel, which is here. I will upload it. So when it is uploading, it is so easy when you write your title in advance. The work is just to copy paste. So we need to copy paste our title here from the OneNote. So to copy paste the YouTube title, the title of the video, you just need to click above it, then click copy. Then you come and you paste here. Come and paste here. Then you come again. You give your audience the description of what the video is assisting them to do. I'll get back to my OneNote since I'm using OneNote. So I'll just copy until here. You can also copy the captions, but for cleanliness of the video, I'll just copy the description. Then I'll show you where you input captions. Then I'll come and paste it here. Then, as we are continuing, then we'll come here and I think we can do some adjustments. And let me see if we need to carry out any adjustments. Let me carry out some adjustments here. We have as well. Let me space it. Then professional. I made a mistake. Okay, we are good to go. Professional. Need to delete one F. Okay. Then we continue. Then we need to upload a thumbnail. So a thumbnail is what catches the audience eye. So you need to create a very enticing thumbnail, but this one is just created for demonstration purposes, though you can judge if it is good or not. So it is there. So from there, what you need to do, we need to continue and scroll downward. So you need to come here where you have your audience. So when you have your audience, my audience, you ask if your audience are kids or not made for kids, or what the video focus to. So it is not made for kids, but everyone can watch actually. So it is not just restricted to kids. So when you restrict it to kids, it will carry out some monetization limitation of what can be advertised using that video. Then from there, you need to include if your video have any AI footage or generated looking scene. My video does not have any AI generated scene. So then there is a lot of tags here. So I just delete some and then input my tags here. The tags which we had created, or the tags they are here. Let me get back to OneNote. So let me come here, copy them. So they must contain these commas. Then bring it back to my studio and then paste them. Then we need to come to where we have the license. So we need to select a Creative Commons. So a Creative Commons license allows people can be able to use your video for to use your video without harm, so you don't restrict your video to yourself. So some people can cut your video and just do adjustments. There is no need to restrict it. Just give people access to your video so that they can create what they want. Then category of my video, they are science and technology. Then I need to come to here we have monetization if you are monetized. In this case, for monetization, since I'm monetized, I'll just select yes for monetization on, then create yes. Then I need to select more about the ad suitability. So the ad suitability, it does not contain any controversial issues. It does not contain any firearm related content. Then I will submit. Then I need to head where we have video elements. So this is where you attach card to the video, attach other videos to recommend someone to watch video after watching this one. So what we can do in this scenario, what we need to do, let me show you. So you can add subtitle to your video, or you can add ad screens to recommend people to your other videos. So I can add ad screen, but I don't think there is any. So you can click here to recommend other videos which are related to this video. So it depends with what you choose. But in this, we shall avoid it to make it simple. But as I be making progress, I'll be showing you how you can attach those ad cards to this video, so that when you finish watching this video, the video will technically be recommended other videos which are related to this to your audience. Then this is check, which tells you, so you can see I have no copyright issue. What I need to do, I can come to where we have the visibility of the video. So where we have the visibility of the video, technically you are creating it for the public, but don't publish this video immediately. Let me warn you. Don't try it. What we need to do, you can just list your video to be posted later after assessing YouTube finish assessing your video, or technically you can schedule the video. So I usually like to you must notice when your audience are always available. Like in my case, I want the video to be published today. I notice I have more live audience at 7 p.m. So I just select 7 p.m. That's when my audience are. I usually have a peak audience. 7 p.m. So I just select 7:15, and then I can schedule this video. Don't be too in a hurry to publish your video immediately after creating. I know sometimes it can be pressuring. You have a good idea, you want to finish it, publish very fast, but it's not recommendable. Just ensure you schedule your video. You can notice, check on print, and my video have no issue. I can just schedule my video. And after scheduling my video, you notice it will be shown later at 7 p.m. when I want to post it, and when it will be moved from private to public, and it is being shown here. It will move from private to public, and now my audience can be able to access my video. And this is how we usually upload videos in YouTube without a lot of complication and a lot of stories, which we in Kenya we call them stories ajaba. This is how you should upload your videos in YouTube. Don't listen to other shenanigans of telling you how to make video go viral. The content will go viral regardless of the method which you use to upload video in YouTube. Your video will be recommended if you follow the right step. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up, and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future alluring content like this. Thank you, and may Almighty God bless you.